Right now, 1 in 5 Americans has a mental disorder. Not your neighbor, not strangers on the street. 1 in 5 means someone in your family, someone at your job, maybe the person reading this right now, and most of them still waiting to be understood. Let us talk about anxiety first. Your brain has a fire alarm. In a healthy mind, it fires when danger is real. In anxiety, that alarm never stops. It fires at a text message. It fires at silence. It fires at simply existing. Your heart races. Your chest tightens. Your thoughts spiral, and you cannot stop them, even when you know there is nothing to fear. Over 284 million people worldwide live like this, every single day. Then there is depression. And here is what most people get wrong. Depression is not sadness. Sadness fades. Depression does not. Depression is waking up and feeling absolutely nothing. No motivation, no meaning, no energy to even explain why. The brain's reward system goes silent. Dopamine drops. The part that makes you feel alive just switches off. Telling someone with depression to just cheer up is like telling someone with a broken leg to just walk it off. And ADHD, the most misunderstood of all. People think it means distracted. It does not. ADHD means you cannot choose what to focus on. When something excites your brain, you enter hyperfocus so deep that hours disappear. But the moment a task becomes boring, your brain goes completely offline. Why? Because the ADHD brain runs low on dopamine, constantly searching for stimulation. That impulsive decision, that sudden idea, that inability to sit still, all of it is a brain desperately trying to feel something. Here is what all of this means. Anxiety, depression, ADHD. These are not weaknesses. These are not excuses. These are biological conditions, with measurable differences in brain chemistry that affect the most intelligent, creative, and driven people on the planet. Abraham Lincoln had depression. Einstein showed strong signs of ADHD. Tesla had severe anxiety. The disorder and the gift almost always come from the same place. 1 in 5 Americans. That is not a statistic. That is a person you know. The more clearly we understand this, the fewer people suffer in silence. Follow for more content that actually explains how the human mind works.